Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create lightboxes in Wix. Lightboxes are those pop-up windows that grab your visitors' attention, perfect for announcements, special offers, or sign-up forms. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. This section gives you access to all your website's core settings and editing tools, so it's your starting point for making any changes. From here, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to add your lightbox. If you manage multiple sites, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're working on the right one before making any edits. Next, look toward the top part of your screen for the Edit Site button. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward. This action will open up the Wix website editor, where all the design magic happens. Once the editor loads, you'll see the full layout of your website. Now, on the left navigation menu, locate and click on the Add Elements button. This is where you'll find all the building blocks you can use to customize your site's design and functionality. After clicking Add Elements, the menu will expand and present you with a list of all the elements available in Wix. From text boxes, to images, to interactive features, everything is organized here. For our purpose, locate the interactive element. This section contains all the dynamic tools that help engage your visitors. Under the interactive element, you'll see a pop-up section. This is where Wix stores all its lightbox options. You'll find a variety of pre-designed lightboxes that you can browse through. Simply choose the one that fits your needs and click and drag it onto your website. The lightbox will automatically appear on your page, ready to be customized. Once the lightbox is added, it's time to personalize it. Click on the Settings button, which looks like a gear icon. A small pop-up settings window will appear, giving you full control over how your lightbox behaves. From here, you can change the lightbox name to something that makes sense for your content. This helps you stay organized if you have multiple lightboxes on your site. You can also set the pop-up display settings, such as adding delays, so the lightbox appears a few seconds after someone lands on your page. There's also an option to schedule when and how the lightbox will appear. Additionally, you can choose how the lightbox closes, whether it's through an X button in the corner or a dedicated close button at the bottom. These settings give you flexibility to create the exact user experience you want, and that's it. You've successfully created and customized a lightbox in Wix. This simple tool can significantly boost engagement and help you communicate important messages to your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.